Hey everyone, welcome back to the next part of our go-kart building series. In this video, we're going to cover the building process for the frame of the go-kart, as well as some of the accessories that we put onto it. We apologize for the lack of videos over the past couple of months. It's been really busy for us, but we've been working on projects and have some footage, so we hope to share that with you guys very soon. With all that being said, enjoy the video. Here we're welding on the rear pivots for the back half of the frame assembly. The suspension was definitely the most difficult part of the entire build, as we both had no real idea how to work with suspension and the math behind it. We ended up just tinkering with it until it was good enough.
Roll me away! Oh shit. Right now. Turn! What's going on back there? Where's the dick?
Wanna push? Let's go. Come on. You're supposed to be steering.
Oh, come on. Oh shit.
Ready?
More!
It looks like a seat strapped to some crazy thing.
Our rigorous testing included just jumping on the frame to make sure that the entire thing didn't just bottom out on itself.
The 2 bolts to this. So we gotta figure out how we want to do that. I'm just kind of cycling it, like pumping in a bunch, building the pressure, and then letting it blow through, and then you can see the bubbles coming through, and then keep doing that until it's clean, ideally. So we fucked up.
What?
The battery doesn't fit very well, so we got to lower this by about 1 inch to make it fit.
Upside down.
Maybe. Okay. Oh, hi. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, today we're gonna try to get a few more little housekeeping things done on the go-kart here. We have the switch here that has the forward and reverse buttons on it. We're gonna try to make a nice clean plate that fits right here. And then after we do that, we're gonna get our display set up. We've got to build some sort of plate here to mount this, and then yeah, get that all wired up and hooked up. But that's the plan. Stay tuned. This is what people want to see.
He's got the better screwdriver.
This is content. What's that? No, that's fine. Open. Aha. Oh.
What we got?
All right. We got the switch. Oh, that's perfect. So look, it already has a lip on it, so we'll just be able to make that into. Do we need this?
No.
Okay. So cool. Destroyed.
Right now we're designing the mount that'll hold the display right underneath the steering wheel.
Where'd you put them?
What? I put them back.
Remember which size you used?
Yeah.
And that concludes the building portion of this video. We did our best to film as much as possible, but let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Now enjoy some sweet driving footage.
Go for it.